You know, it's funny. I wear this tam out in scorching hot weather. We've been in a heat wave, a heat dome this week in Ontario, Canada, and it's been probably 100 degrees for the past 4 days in a row. And the amount of people that I get that talk to me about, oh, you must be hot wearing this hat. It's funny because it's actually quite the opposite. I mean, right now, since there's no brim on it, I feel the heat on my forehead, sure. But my head itself is not hot. Actually, the tam does quite the opposite in this heat. Because if my hair was down and covering my neck and my nape right now, I'd be a lot hotter and not catching as much of a breeze as when it's up in my tam. Now, I've been wearing this tam indoors a lot as well because during this heat dome and when I'm working, I need to keep the dust and the dirt out of my hair when I'm working. So this protects my hair in a work environment. When it's hot out, I can often wear this and not be bothered because for one, I'm used to it. And two, like I said, it protects and it enhances the breeze and keeps my hair off my neck, allowing me to cool down a lot easier. And if you think about it, you know, the amount of years I've spent in Jamaica and the amount of rastas I see wear tams in the scorching heat, it's the same thing. This actually protects the heat from penetrating to our scalp. And it also protects our scalp from burning if there's anything being shown and being exposed to the sun, the UV rays. So tams actually will keep you cooler despite how warm they look. And you know what? I guess it's different than a beanie because look, there's a lot of holes in here. So there is a lot of ventilation going on. It's not like it's a winter beanie and it's all fully closed off with the knitting. That I would understand would be a lot hotter. Might I add, people will still wear beanies in the summer with the dreadlocks. It still does give off a cooling effect. But for the most part, tams are beneficial in the heat. And I do have some more tams like this coming out, so stay tuned for that drop. And let me know what you guys think. What are your thoughts on wearing tams with dreadlocks in the heat? I'd love to know your comments down below. Thanks.